In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with GoHighLevel, making your scheduling process seamless and efficient. Whether you're a small business owner or just someone trying to streamline appointment bookings, this guide will transform the way you manage your calendar. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigate to the GoHighLevel website. If you're not yet familiar with GoHighLevel, it's a comprehensive suite of marketing tools that includes CRM, marketing automation, and even calendar management all in one place, making it a powerhouse for managing client interactions. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you might want to do that first. After logging in, you'll want to focus on the left-hand navigation panel. The goal here is to locate and click on the calendar option. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. Upon clicking, the interface should present you with several options, but for our task today, we're going to zero in on calendar settings. This is essentially your control hub for everything related to scheduling and syncing. Once you're in the calendar settings, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features. It will give you a better understanding of what's available and how you can customize it later to suit your specific needs. For this integration, though, your next step is to focus on connections. Look for the option to Add New. This function allows you to extend the capabilities of GoHighLevel by connecting to other services you may be using. In our case, we'll be integrating with Calendly, a tool renowned for its simplicity and effectiveness in booking appointments without the hassle of back-and-forth emails. Click on Add New, and a list of options should appear. From these options, select Calendly. As soon as you click Connect, you might be required to log into your Calendly account if you aren't already. It's always a good idea to have your credentials handy, just in case. Once logged in, follow any additional prompts to complete the connection. These might include granting permissions or selecting specific calendars to sync. And just like that, in a few streamlined steps, you've successfully integrated Calendly with your GoHighLevel account. This integration allows you to synchronize your calendars, avoiding double bookings, and ensuring all your appointments are organized in one unified spot. Remember, regular syncs will occur, ensuring that any changes you make in Calendly automatically reflect in GoHighLevel and vice versa. By merging these two powerful tools, not only do you save time, but you also enhance your productivity, allowing you to focus more on growing your business or personal brand. If you have any questions or face any issues during the setup process, feel free to revisit this guide or check out further resources. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.